Okay, so this time a different type of question. We're told here that cosine of 2x minus 1 is an antiderivative of f of x. That means antiderivative means an indefinite integral, basically. Okay? An antiderivative means it's an indefinite integral. Okay? So what this is telling you, is that the integral of f of x dx is equal to cosine of 2x minus 1 plus c. Okay? Well, what happens is, if we have limits, then we ignore the c. Okay? If we have limits, we ignore the c. So that means the integral of f of x dx from 1 to 2 is equal to the cosine of 2x minus 1, and it's going to be from 1 to 2. Okay? So now we just do what we would have done normally before. We fill in the top limit, so it's going to be the cosine of 2 times 2 minus 1, and we're going to subtract oops, not sure what's happened there. Let me try this a second. Okay, hopefully we're back to normal now. Apologies for the inaccuracy. And now we put in the lower limit, cosine of 2 times 1 minus 1. Okay. Well, that's going to be the cosine of 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the cosine of 3 minus the cosine 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now, we don't have any way of simplifying that without a calculator. So we can put this into our calculator. And if you bear with me 1 second, I'll move this around because I haven't set the calculator up yet. So let's take off all of that and take off that. Let's pull it down here, and what we have is, make sure we're in radian mode. We are. So we have the cosine of 3, and close the parentheses, minus the cosine of 1. If you enter that, you get negative 1.53, and I missed the last place, was 0294. So correct the 3 decimal places, 1.530. Okay. And there you go. Okay, so antiderivative just means if you integrate f of x, this is what you'll get. So the antiderivative of x is what you get if you integrate f of x. Okay. Thank you.